How to log someone out of Instagram account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right. After that, click on Account Center at the top. In Account Center, scroll down to Password and Security and click on Password and Security. After that, click on where you're logged in, which is in Security Checks, and then click on Select Devices to log out at the bottom if you find any device that is suspicious. After you've clicked on it, select the device you want to log out and press on Log Out at the bottom. After you press on Logged Out, and that person will be logged out. This is how to log someone out of Instagram account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.